everyone, my name is Natasha, and today, if you're wondering what I'm going to do with these 2 packs, well, I'm going to do buckwheat chocolate. Yes, it's buckwheat chocolate. So stay with me, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, very interesting and healthy chocolate bars. Let's get started. So for this recipe, the ingredients are very simple. So I have 80% dark chocolate. I'll link in the description below if you're wondering what kind of chocolate I'm using, and a roasted buckwheat, about a half cup or 110 grams. So in a hot frying pan, we're just transferring our buckwheat groats and ensuring that the buckwheat groats are evenly spread on the bottom of the pan, just like this. And we need to ensure that the heat is like on medium high. Yes, and just stirring it around for about 2 minutes. After, we are putting the lid on and we are waiting for the buckwheat to actually pop. This will take in total about 4 minutes. So 2 minutes to warm up the buckwheat and 2 minutes to pop the buckwheat. So this is our popped buckwheat. We are just going to set it aside. You can see that it's like changed in color. Yeah, and we're just going to set it aside to cool down, and we will prepare the chocolate in a saucepan, in a small saucepan. How big is your saucepan depends on how big is your actual dish that you're melting the chocolate. So on a saucepan with water, we're just putting the chocolate to melt. So make sure that your bowl doesn't touch the water. Yes, so it needs to be that biomarine. So after the chocolate is completely melted, transfer it to cool down a bit. Be very careful because the plate is hot. Yeah, so just stirring it continuously to incorporate all the chocolate and cool it down for about 10 minutes. So transfer the popped buckwheat into the chocolate. Mix it well to incorporate everything. And you can transfer it to your mold. In my case, I have this origami mold. I just love the shape of it. I'll link to similar molds. I have it for 2 years. I'll link for similar molds in the description. So transfer the chocolate into the mold. Transfer it in the fridge to set for about 30 minutes. Yes, so just make sure that you are evenly spreading the chocolate and removing any air bubbles. So after it's completely set in the fridge, we are just going to unmold it. So I love this mold because it has origami shape and it's amazing. And I'll show you as well one thing what I do, so it's perfect for presents. Look at this chocolate. It's perfect. So now I'll just cut into pieces if this is like to eat straight away, or what you can do, you can arrange it as a present, just like this. So this was my recipe of how to make popped buckwheat chocolate in your house, in your kitchen. Extremely delicious, healthy and very interesting as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new, interesting, healthy and simple recipe. Thank you very much and see you next time.